No go dey rush Bobby like say you dey rush for akara, like say you dey fight for daily bread. What you are supposed to do, knowing that Bobby na human being body, na supposed to just put mouth on top the nipi like you suppose they apply pressure and rhythm to how you they use tongue, they play around the curves of Bobby. You are not supposed to press like ping pong, ping pong, ping pong on top Bobby. Bobby, no, they make ping pong sound. You are supposed to go like, why you there on one, not they press the other one. Just use your palm to they roll on top the nipi of the other one. Then if at all you want use finger, let them go slide like this. When you do that kind of thing, you go to sweet madam. But guess what? Once you done the handle Bobby, make sure say your knee there between the legs of madam. Use your knee to the place small on top madam clito apiko liko. That way you go to sensitize apiko and liko and the moyonyo to the secret juice. While you they play with nipi, then use one hand if possible. They play with madam hair small because all those things they trigger madam to one prick, so that when you choke the prick, you go hear boom. What I gonna do? Opiko, as you dey knock.
DM me to get Bobby mastery right now for your husband to learn how to touch your Bobby well to make you bring up plenty water.
Bobby require technique for massage.